Let me tell you something. After all the healing that you get from self-work, the breakdowns, the breakthroughs, you have finally realized something sacred. You were never lost. Not really. You weren't broken. You were behind. You were buried beneath layers of pain, survival, and conditioning. Layers that you didn't ask for, but carried anyway. And self-work is what helped you peel them off. Not to become someone new, but to remember who you have been all along. You have always been there, under the shame, under the silence, and under the fear. The real you, before the world told you who you should be. The one who knew joy without earning it. The one who felt deeply, loved fiercely, trusted naturally. So now you are not just finding yourself. You are returning. You are learning what never was yours and reclaiming what always was. This work, it doesn't make you worthy. It just helps you see that you have always been. So if you are deep in it right now, if it feels painful, messy, and confusing, keep going. Because the more you strip away, the clearer it all comes. You were never lost. You were forgot. And now you do remember.